Hello everyone, welcome to Rasdeeps. Today let's try out some mango kichadi. For that let's begin by chopping 2 raw mangoes. Pulp can be slightly yellowish. Now let's grind 4 tablespoons chopped coconut, our mangoes and 2 green chilies. To that add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and some curry leaves. Grind it again. Now add 2 tablespoons thick curd. Now give one more blend. Add required salt and a tablespoon of curd. After giving a blend, our kichadi is ready. For tempering, heat a kadai and pour 1 tablespoon of oil. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts to splutter, add few curry leaves and 2 dried red chilli. Now serve our kichadi. It's a perfect dish for your lunch. Do try this simple and delicious mango kichadi recipe. If you like the video, then don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.